Hi everybody, this is the Melissa and Doug All Aboard Disney Mickey and Friends train set. Oh, hi Decky.
Hi there.
Hi. Do you like this train set? Let's talk about it.
Yeah.
It's all made out of wood and it's really cool. And you have Mickey. Let's get them all out. Let's see who they have. Minnie.
And Donald.
And
Pluto. And the
And
last one named Goofy.
is Goofy. And they have pictures on both sides, right?
Yeah.
Both sides, they have pictures. Let's turn them around. See, they have the same picture on both sides. And they've really held up a long time. We've had these a long time. And they still look really cool. We've got all the cars. And you can detach them like this and put them in different orders. Do you want to put it all together?
I'm going to put them in different orders.
Yeah. Let's see. And then all the friends can sit in different ways.
Maybe the green, maybe the blue holding the green, and the green holding the red. Is that different?
That's different than we had it. And choo-choo, all aboard. They can all get in the train.
Hey, get all in the train.
Mickey's gonna drive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Minnie's coming.
Minnie's coming.
Donald's
Donald's coming.
coming. Pluto's coming.
Pluto's coming.
Goofy's coming.
Goofy's coming, and they're all aboard. And then they can roll around. Choo-choo, choo-choo. This is a really cool toy. We've had it a long time.
Yeah.
And we're lucky that all the pieces are still there.
And they'll find another surprise.
You're gonna find another surprise?
Yeah, in my room.
Okay.
Yay! Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
One of them's unhooked. Ooh, we're gonna leave those two behind. Hurry, connect the train.
Yeah.
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo. Choo-choo.
Yeah.
Choo-choo. Choo-choo.
Does someone else want to drive?
But see, there's no more train pieces. See, we need one more train piece.
I think that it also comes with 3 and it has this back piece so that you can put them in different order. You know? You can take this off and put this right here, you know? So these 2 are the same in the back so that you can switch them around. That's why they look like that. Who else wants to drive? Do they want to sit in different order?
Yeah. They do want this in different order.
Who should we have drive this time?
Let's see. Maybe Donald Duck.
Okay. He can drive for sure. And then we got Pluto, and then Goofy, and Minnie and Mickey are in the back. How cool.
And they'll get another surprise, and they'll get a surprise for them to get scared of in the train.
Okay. You like to do that, don't you?
Yeah.
What's coming? Decky's bringing a surprise. You know he likes to do that. I have a feeling I know what it is. But we'll see. Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Oh, no. The T-Rex just can't leave us alone. We're trying to do a review, and he just gotta come and spoil the fun. And, oh my gosh, and attack all our friends. Oh, and what is he doing? He's rolling on you?
Yeah.
I've never seen a T-Rex roll over on people. I can see how that would be scary if that happened, though. Oh my gosh.
It's on the driver.
Oh my gosh. Are they gonna save themselves?
Yeah.
How are they gonna defeat the T-Rex this time?
Maybe by fighting with a sword.
Oh boy. I don't think they have any swords. Or they could just run away. Ah, see ya! Oh, poor T-Rex. No! Oh! Jeez. I guess a stress test is important for a toy. And this just taking a beating from a T-Rex.
Okay, you try again. Jump in the air.
Okay.
Try to move this and then I'll drop on you.
What if I just... Whoa. Wow, 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 wow. Oh!
Yeah, like that.
Still good. They're still okay. See, they're strong. Ow. Okay, how are we gonna do this? I got an idea. Okay, T-Rex, why don't you come take a ride?
Yeah.
You want to ride?
Yeah.
Choo-choo, T-Rex on the train.
Yeah.
Oh,
That just messed up the train.
yeah, we gotta put it back together.
And oh, get another bag. And look at another surprise. Look at it. Big T-Rex.
Oh, what the? Another T-Rex. But he looks kind of friendly.
Yeah.
He looks kind of friendly.
Yeah.
These guys want to be friends.
Yeah. But I'm too big to ride on the train.
You're too big to ride on a train? Oh, how sad. Maybe we can get
What?
a dinosaur-sized train. Maybe they have those. But we don't have them right now. Sorry, T-Rex. From Toy Story.
But they don't have one of those.
Mm-hmm.